Hello, fantastic first grade. This is Miss Smith, and we're going to talk about a couple of math words today. They are compose and decompose. They sound big, but they really aren't. It's really quite simple. When you compose, you are making something, you are building something. When we compose a shape from other shapes, just means that we're making a new shape out of several different shapes. For example, we're going to start with this shape. You've talked about all of the names of these shapes with Miss Oakley this week. This is a cube. We know it is a cube because all of its faces are perfect squares. That makes it a cube. So if I take this cube and I add another cube on top of it, I can make a new shape. When I add them together, I now have a face with a rectangle. We made a rectangular prism out of two cubes. We composed a rectangular prism out of two cubes. Isn't that fun? And decompose would be the opposite. So if we had our rectangular prism over here, we have our rectangular prism and we take a cube away from it, we made a cube. We decomposed. We took them apart. And the fun thing about composing shapes is you can also make pictures. And you can do that on your own at home. You can draw a picture of something made out of geometric shapes. I'm going to make a really tall tower with a rounded top. You see my tower? How cute. How fun is that? Or I could make a house with a cube and see if I can turn that with I can twist it, but I can't turn it around. With a pyramid. You can see that you could have a house with a roof, with a cube and a pyramid. When we decompose shapes, that's what you're going to be doing on your worksheet today. You're going to look at a shape and you're going to try to find two-dimensional shapes inside your three-dimensional shape. What faces can we find in a cube? Yes, I see a square right there. This manipulative won't let me pull the face off, but if you pulled it off, it would just be a square. All right, what face can we find in the pyramid? The one that we see here is a triangle. Don't laugh at my drawings. And the shape that we know that's down here, we can't really see it very well, but we also know that a pyramid has a square face. And now you have composed shapes and you have decomposed shapes. Good luck on your worksheet.